Kwa sababu ya dhambi zetu.
Kwa kuna mmoja kumjua.
Na sana kwenye nilikuwa basi ndugu mkono. Kana kumtu semani nguti. Eni
ukitoka ndogo ngedoa ndio wale ndio kwa mdogo ndio yeye. Hiki kumjua sasa, ni kila kitu ndogo, ndio wao mlioge, ya sala ngori, ndio tunakopolo. Tunakiri kumjua sasa. Kwa maana kwa kwa batakayo. Ndio kumjua sasa, maana kumjua sasa. Kumjua sasa. Ya kumjua ukitoka ndogo ngedoa ndio wale ndio kwa mdogo ndio yeye. Hiki kumjua sasa, ni kila kitu ndogo, ndio wao mlioge, ya sala ngori, ndio tunakopolo. Sikijio nimotelo, wewe wote ni kari Yesu, okaye. Akira kari Yesu, okaye. Ayalo, ikaika mrateko, ikaika mali wewe, ikaika katika mwili oge, kumjome sai, kumjome sana.
Bele kada mana kimoro para. Okuno bimba chigni, idala.
Kimoro mara so kada chigni, kitikawa ya sai magema. Yasema ni kiteko, yasema yuo, ikao kumba mara ngombe, kindu hiko, mara yasaki wale wala mane.
So I'm appealing to the women members of this church to constitute themselves into cooperative societies and enjoy economies of scale and pursue those monies so that they can get involved in gainful economic activity. 2, in this region we have got a feasible, tangible economic development agenda. Before the elections, we had got the bottom-up economic forums where our leadership held consultations with the people of Nyanza. And based on that, we subsequently developed an economic blueprint which has got very, very, very clear interventions in the area of agriculture, for example. The debts which were owed by the sugar companies have all now been written off. The president has already pronounced himself on that. We are going to bring in private sector investors to pump money into the sugar companies so that those companies can be revitalized. Farmers' arrears settled, employees' arrears settled, new plant brought in so that those factories can attain optimal capacity utilization again for the benefit of the local communities. We are going to revitalize cotton. Cotton used to be a major cash crop in this region. We want to do that again so that places like Siaya, which were known for cotton production, can again pursue cotton as a cash crop for purposes of economic development. And we will have gineries, cotton gineries in each and every one of the counties within Nyanza. In the fishing industry, already the president came to here and commissioned the Kenya shillings 3 billion Kabonyo Fish Training Institute, where our fishermen are going to learn modern fishing techniques. But as a government, we are going ahead to establish fish landing sites along the beaches, starting from Musenge, Wichilum, here in Kisumu, Kindu Bay, Homa Bay, all the way to Mihur in Migori. We are going to have fish landing sites so that fishermen can have modern techniques of fish processing before they export the fish or sell the fish elsewhere. The problem, one of the challenges we have been having is that we don't have refrigeration facilities. That problem now is going to be fully addressed under this government of President William Ruto.